Hello everyone, let us solve this sum. Square root of 3 minus square root of 8 is equal to, if we use some trick, then it is easy to get the value of this. Solution for this, given sum we can write as it is, square root of 3 minus square root of 8, this is equal to, we can write square root of 3 minus square root of 8 can be written as 4 into 2 into 1. Again this is equal to square root of 3 minus, this can be written as square root of 4 into square root of 2 into square root of 1. Since we know square root of a into b into c, this is equal to square root of a into square root of b into square root of c. Hence, given sum can be written as square root of 3 minus square root of 8. This is equal to square root of 3 minus square root of 4 is 2 into square root of 2 into square root of 1. But we know square root of 1 is equal to 1. Hence, this is equal to square root of 3 minus 2 into square root of 2 into 1. Now, let us assume square root of 2 is equal to a and this one is equal to b. Hence, let a is equal to square root of 2 and b is equal to 1. Then we can apply expansion formula. A minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. But a is square root of 2 and b is 1, replace here. Hence, this can be written as square root of 2 minus 1 square of this. This is equal to square root of 2 its square plus 1 square minus 2 into square root of 2 into 1. And here this square gets cancelled with this square root. Hence, square root of 2 square can be written as 2 plus 1 square is equal to 1 minus 2 into square root of 2 into 1. And this is equal to 3 minus 2 into root 2 into 1 or root 1 same. This is square root of 2 minus 1 its square. Okay. Now taking square roots on both sides, this can be written as square root of 2 minus 1 its square is equal to 3 minus 2 into square root of 2 into 1 or square root of 1, both same. So we can write here square root of 1 and square root of this quantity, which is nothing but square root of 3 minus square root of 8 is equal to, we can write square root of 3 minus 2 root 2 into 1, and this right hand side we can replace by square root of this quantity. But here this square root cancels with this square on left hand side. Hence we can write square root of 2 minus 1 is equal to square root of 3 minus 2 into root 2 into root 1, and which is equal to square root of 3 minus square root of 8. Hence finally we can write square root of 3 minus square root of 8. This is equal to square root of 2 minus 1. Now we can find square root of 2 applying synthetic division method. Hence square root of 2 is equal to, we have to find out square root of 2. So 2 is here, then we can take 1 here, 1 plus 1, take that 1 here also, 1 into 1, 1, subtract, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now take here decimal point and a pair of zeros after this one. So, and here 1 plus 1 is 2. Now a number we have to put here such that this number into this number, that will be less than 100. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Then subtracting this 4 we have to put here also. Remainder is 4. 4 plus 4, 8, and this 2. Now due to this decimal point we have to put a pair of zeros after this 4. Then we have to put any one number here so that its multiplication with that number will be less than 400, and that will be 1. So plus 1, and this one we have to put here also. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 2, 2. Subtract, that gives 119. Okay, and here 1 plus 1, 2, 8, 2. Let us find square root of 2 up to 2 digits after decimal point. So we can put here, hence is equal to 1.41 minus 1, and this is equal to 0.41, and this is value of given square root. Square root of 3 minus square root of 8 is equal to, this is approximate value, and hence this is the answer. In this way we can solve such type of sums. This is the approximate value, not exact value. Recall this solution. Hence the answer. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.